This video walkthrough shows an empty 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. The tour begins at the front door. Immediately to the right is the kitchen, featuring cabinetry and appliances. Straight ahead is the open dining and living area, approximately 20 feet by 12 feet, with ample natural light and space for entertaining. Just slightly to the left off the entryway is the first bedroom, approximately 11 feet by 11 feet, with a standard closet. Turning left from the entry leads to a hallway with a closet and a laundry area beside the first bedroom door. Further down the hallway, on the right, is the master bedroom, approximately 15 feet by 11 feet, which includes a walk-in closet. Across from the master bedroom is the bathroom. The apartment is shown unfurnished to clearly display the layout and room sizes.